Welcome to Wendy's Trains. I'd like to give a shout out to all my brothers and sisters out there in the Real Fanny community. If you'd like to be part of the Real Fanny community, all you gotta do is like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. Alright, let's get this show. Let's do it. 98 Silver Meteor. Running on time, last stop was West Palm Beach. The next stop is Sebring and then Winter Haven. We're on our way to New York City. We left Miami about 2 hours ago. Enjoy the trip, y'all. Floridian left Miami 2.5 hours ago on its way to the Windy City, Chicago. Last stop was Okeechobee, next stop is Sebring and then Winter Haven, running on time. Thanks for watching Wendy's Trains. We'll see you next time. God bless.